Welcome, Amber Swanson here, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 tips to help you clean your marble countertops. So as you can tell, step 1 is you want to pre-treat the areas with spray. The spray that I'm using in this video is Weeman granite cleaner. You can use it on your granite and your marble surfaces. Pretty awesome product. Me personally, I really recommend Dawn Platinum Power Wash. These tips can be applied to literally any natural stone, but what I would do is recommend to apply it to just about any natural stone countertops would be using Dawn Platinum Power Wash. The second tip you want to do is what you're seeing is the lift and clean surface method, and it's just picking each item up, wiping underneath them, and removing any debris, gunk. And the third tip is making sure that you check your work. It's quality control check. You're looking for crumbs, you're looking for grime, you're looking for debris, making sure that you get every single thing off the countertops, because we want to make sure they're clean, they're free of germs, debris, all of that. And so the lift and clean method is going to help you do that, and follow that up with checking your work. This is how you get her done, and most importantly, just rinsing and repeating. So yes, thank you for watching. In the meantime, stay blessed, not stressed. Take care.